As a new member to the Corolla lineup, the 2019 Corolla Hatchback has some big shoes to fill. Luckily, it has no problem finding a unique place in the family. The SE and XSE models share the same daring design language and head-turning presence. The overall body shape is even sportier than its predecessor, being both lower and wider, and sports a longer wheelbase. All Corolla hatchback models feature iconic Triple J LED headlights, which really make this car recognizable from far away. The running lights, stop lamps, and reverse lights also use bright and efficient LED technology as well. Although XSE kicks it up another notch with standard LED fog lights and an available adaptive front lighting system. XSE also stands out with its chrome grille surround up front and its large 18-inch machined finish alloy wheels. Both models can be outfitted with this distinct and aggressive rear spoiler, which sits above an artfully designed rear hatch, a trademark of this all-new car. This hatch's design is so detailed and complex that the vehicle's designers had to use resin to form it, rather than the usual stamped metal. Corolla hatchback's emphasis on style is also evident inside, with its abundance of both high-gloss and matte surfaces, keeping interior design both fun and sophisticated. There are lots of other high-end touches too, like a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shifter, as well as various soft-touch materials throughout. This spacious interior also offers ample room for both passengers and cargo. Being a true hatchback, this new model offers great versatility thanks to its 60/40 split fold-flat rear seats. As on the outside, XSE's interior is a step up over the SE's, packing premium elements like combination leather and fabric upholstery, power driver and heated front seats, and an upgraded instrument panel featuring a large 7-inch multi-information display. Corolla hatchback comes packed with advanced technology. This is evident in its standard 8-inch touchscreen multimedia system, which runs the newest Toyota Intune platform, Intune 3.0 audio on SE. Some SE models can be upgraded to the Intune 3.0 Audio Plus system found on XSE, while some XSE models can be maxed out with the top-shelf Intune 3.0 Premium audio system, which brings with it embedded dynamic navigation and a thumping 8-speaker JBL audio system. Intune 3.0 uses its intuitive interface to manage a wide range of infotainment and convenience features, including Apple CarPlay compatibility, Wi-Fi Connect powered by Verizon, and available Remote Connect, a connected service that now offers smartwatch connectivity, and the ability to control certain aspects of your car through Amazon Alexa-enabled smart devices. Amazon Alexa in-car connectivity is also available via the new Toyota Plus Alexa Intune app, which allows for some seriously amazing connected functionality while driving. Outside of its Intune 3.0 system, Corolla hatchback's high-tech mentality can be seen in its inclusion of convenience features like standard smart key system with push-button start, electronic parking brake with brake hold, dual-zone automatic climate control on XSE, and even available Qi wireless charging. Like all modern Toyota vehicles, Corolla hatchback focuses on safety. To make this point loud and clear, Corolla hatchback is the first Toyota vehicle in the US to include Toyota Safety Sense 2.0. TSS 2.0 is the latest evolution of the TSS suite of advanced active safety technologies. TSS 2.0 includes enhancements to the pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, adding pedestrian detection in low-light situations, and daytime bicycle detecting capabilities. TSS 2.0 also brings along two completely new systems: Lane Tracing Assist, which helps keep the vehicle centered in its lane when using cruise control on the highway, and Road Sign Assist, which displays select road signs on the MID to assist the driver. And as part of its connected services included in the Intune 3.0 platform, Corolla hatchback also offers Standard Safety Connect. This service includes 4 safety and security features designed to help provide quick response and care after an emergency. Corolla Hatchback also includes Toyota's Star Safety System package, as well as a wide range of standard and available individual safety features, like blind spot monitor, hill start assist control, and an anti-theft system with engine immobilizer. One look at Corolla Hatchback, and it's clear this hatch takes fun to drive seriously. Underneath its bold sheet metal lies its T&GA architecture. This advanced chassis is supported by independent suspension at all four corners, specifically McPherson strut up front and a multi-link design in the rear. T&GA also comes into play for Corolla Hatchback's beating heart, an all-new 2-liter dynamic force engine. This four-cylinder produces a lively 168 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, and it does so while simultaneously delivering some of the best fuel economy estimates in its class. This new engine can be paired with either a continuously variable automatic transmission or intelligent 6-speed manual transmission. The continuously variable transmission, called Dynamic Shift CVT, includes a sport drive mode, paddle shifters with 10 preset ratios, and an innovative new launch gear design that utilizes a physical first gear to help achieve better feel and acceleration. And for drivers who prefer to take matters into their own hands, the all-new intelligent manual transmission is incredible. When its IMT mode is engaged, the car will fight against stalling on initial drive-off, as well as smooth out upshifts. This mode also features automatic rev matching technology on downshifts, helping ensure that perfect downshift is effortlessly executed every time. Corolla Hatchback also comes standard with active cornering assist, a sophisticated system that monitors several elements to help manage traction and control the drive force during spirited cornering. This aids the driver with better grip and helps combat understeer situations, so it's safe to say the Corolla Hatchback checks all the boxes when it comes to fun. From its emphasis on technology and safety to its head-turning design, the 2019 Corolla Hatchback is a true Toyota through and through. But nowhere is that more clear than its value proposition, with a starting MSRP of just $19,990. Toyota's legendary reliability and long-term cost estimates, and ownership perks like Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan, and roadside assistance. It's obvious that Corolla Hatchback is one of the smartest and most fun-to-drive buys on the market. Well, that wraps up our in-depth review of the new Corolla Hatchback.
And I'm super excited about taking this car to the track.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos like this from Toyota.
Now, excuse me, I gotta go to work.
it.